Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Oh gosh, look at my greys. Can't wait till April 12th, but I haven't managed to get an appointment yet. Today is Easter Monday. I hope you're all having a lovely bank holiday weekend. We are heading over to see my mum and dad. We're just going to see them in the garden. Well, we might go inside as well, but because we are in a bubble. But hopefully it's a nice day, so we're going to sit outside. We're going to take the dogs with us. Mabel's going to come over. She'll just be staying in the garden. She's in my room at the moment trying to destroy it. She's made a friend and it seems to be Barney. But I think it's a one-sided friendship. I don't think Barney's really that keen. No, I know she isn't at the moment. She has been. I'll show you. Look. What are you doing under my bed? Hey? Does that make a noise? Yeah, so that's what Mabel is doing. That's what the noise is. Little munchkin. So we'll show you what we do at my mum and dad's house. I think it'll be anything exciting, but you're welcome to come with us. Just before we go, guys, I'm just waiting for Eleanor to get ready, so I thought I'd show you. I've been treating myself to some new makeup products. I put them on today. I got some Urban Decay foundation because I've used that before, but unfortunately I've got the wrong shade. I think it's too light. I don't know if you can see, but I look really pasty, but it's gone on quite nicely. I also bought some what I thought was powder, turns out to be foundation powder. This is the dangers of buying on the internet. I also got some bronzer. Where's the bronzer? Here. Urban Decay. I got them from Look Fantastic. I don't know if you've heard of it, because if you bought three Urban Decay products, you got 25% off. And also on all the other stuff, if you're a new customer, I got a discount. So it was really good value. I also got this Inky List moisturiser, and I've just put that on. And it has gone on really nicely. It's for dry skin. And we got some CeraVe moisture cream that's an SPF 25 because it's very important to protect your skin from the sun. Oh, and also I bought myself a new top. This is from Fat Face. It's just like a shirt. Why not? So I'm at my mum's house. We're just going out for a walk. And we've got Mabel. Not sure how long she'll tolerate that.
She gets strangled under there. The zip's not going into it.
Mabel!
We've got like a scarf that's like a sling, and I'm like holding underneath, but I could do that, but I'm just doing it for extra.
Yeah. Mabel, are you enjoying your walk? Yeah. Well, you'd like to come out with us?
It's not because she's in pain either. She did it when I was holding her.
She wants to walk, doesn't she? But you can't because you haven't had your vaccination, your second one yet.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Open your eyes. I have no words.
You like it?
Yes.
James Charles, sisters.
Sisters.
Got to open it?
Yes. Of course. Okay, where do we open this? So this is the Morphe X palette. James Charles. James Charles. Bubble wrap. You've got to whisper the James Charles. Whisper the James Charles.
Whoa.
So sleek.
Oh, that tells you all the colours.
Alice, cheeky little
I'm
girl.
going to keep that because I want to know. There's canvas, ring light, so good. 518 rusted Halloween wig tee. Punch me, sister, marry, literally.
Punch me?
Punch me. Benny, flashback, face, tune, code James, 10% off, no beans, spooky, Guac, hello, playground brother, artistry, love that, flinkety drinkety, social braid, daddy, cape, cod, cola, acapella, scape, single skip.
Just out on a little walk, and we've got Mabel with us and my daughter Luana. Oh, God, it's new. No. She's shy.
No.
Where's little Mabel?
Just went in the mud.
Yeah. There's Evie. Good girl, Mabel.
Yeah,
Good
mate.
girl. Mabel. Come on then.
We're going round other side where it's nice.
I'm sorting my bum out.
Say hi.
No, I'm alright, thanks.
This is Luana. So what are you going to do, Eleanor?
You can come into that there and then go over there. Right, I'm scared. We've got no problem. 3, 2, 1.
Oh gosh.
But I'm going to do a bit of like a run up so I can kind of like get it a bit more.
Oh! Are you alright?
It was slippery.
Yeah, I thought it might be. I knew you were going to end up wet.
Oh my god, my feet are full of water.
Still dry.
Go through?
She followed you.
My knee hurts a bit.
Oh.
Mabel, let me see if she'll run to me. Mabel!
You like the water, don't you, Mabel?
Mabel, come here, girl. Mabel, come here. Come here, darling. Oh, she's Hi.
You're not so keen on the water, are you, Millie? We've just got these two on the lake because there were just some other dogs around.
You shout her now.
Me, Mabel! Oh, good girl, Mabel! Good girl! I got the treats, haven't I? Hey? Hang on.
Jeez.
She decided to have a little paddle, seeing as she's wet anyway. You'll have to go back for your shoes, you know.
Yeah. Mabel, are you going to show me? Come here. Show me how to get that. Billy, come
It's a nice peaceful spot down here, isn't it?
Whoa! Yeah, that was very slippy.
Yeah, oh, it looks it's got algae on it.
They all do.
Oh, are you having a paddle, Millie, now? Oh. Are you going to have a go in, Holly? Holly! Oh, your leggings are nearly in.
My leggings are already there.
Oh, okay.
They're right up to here. Mabel, come here, sweetheart. Come here, darling. Oh, you're so cute going in the water.
Whoa.
Oh. Whoa! Spiky. It's not spiky, it's just like sharp.
Are you going to go back?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I love this kind of countryside with a little gentle stream. You know, when you do like meditation or mindfulness, I always imagine myself near like a nice green fields with the trees and a lovely stream. Really relaxing. Mabel loves it. Do you like it, Mabel? No more trees. No more trees. Go on.
Mabel, come here, darling. Good. You. Wow, it's deep. Where? It's deep. Did you have to swim? Did you have to swim? Is it really?
Holly, what have you got? Stop eating grass. I hope you don't grab your shoe and drag it into water.
What?
I hope you don't grab your shoe and drag it into water.
Mabel.
at you, big girl. Big girl, aren't you? We'll get you a treat. So today's a happy day. The time has come to get my hair done. Me and Eleanor are going in a minute, and we've got quite a late appointment at 6:15, so the poor lady's probably been cutting hair all day, but thankfully she's fitted us in. I'm having some highlights, get rid of my greys. Eleanor's having some highlights too, obviously cut and blow dry, so we'll show you what it's like when we get back. Hopefully we'll like it. So here is the finished hair. This is actually the day after because we didn't get home till, was it about 10:15, Eleanor?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was quite late. So it's not looking its best because obviously I've slept on it. But I've gone for some like caramel sort of highlights. Had my roots done so you can't see my greys. I'll show you Eleanor now. Come on, Eleanor. Ta-da! Looks really nice. Why you got that face? It does.
No, it doesn't. It looks awful there.
Oh, I think my camera's got some kind of a tinted filter or something on it. I don't know what it is.
It always makes our hair look ready, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
So thanks for watching this video, guys. Sorry it's been a little bit jumbled. We've not really uploaded over the last couple of weeks, so sorry about that. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.
Bye.